Yo, 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 what it is? What's up? It's your girl, Nick and Nix, coming to serve you looks. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of, oh my god, Nikki, you're here again. It's your girl, on the next on the beat. Today, I'm giving you an amazing makeup look that I know deep down in my soul that you all want to know how to, I don't know. I'm so glad that I'm here to actually do this look for you. A lot of you have requested it. I want to do a soft glam makeup tutorial for my beautiful angels who want to look beat, but they don't want too much distraction from their true beauty. They just want something soft on the highs, nude on the leaves, go out, look bombastic, have people drop dead for no reason. I feel you, baby girls. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I use is to prime my face. When you want to do a soft glam look, your skin is going to be the focus of attention. Your skin should look beautiful, and because of this, I'm bringing all my primers together. My Glow Ahead Face Oil by Wonder Beauty, mixing that with my NYX Hydratouch Oil Primer, and finalizing that with my Honey Do Me Up. So what I like about this Glow Ahead Oil Primer is that your face isn't oily after using it. This one, the Hydratouch Oil Primer, your face will be oily. Not oily per se, but it will have like an oily effect to it, which means later in the day, if you have oily skin, this would not really work out for you. If you have oily skin, I suggest you use these two together. I'm going in with my foundations, the Born This Way foundations in the shade Tiramisu Sable. Can you see how dewy my skin is? Whenever I'm going for a soft glam look, I go in with a simpler application of the concealer. I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mahogany. If you didn't know, which I'm sure like 80% of you know this, but the next step in this makeup patient is to set it, duh. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder in the shade Nutmeg. I try to press the setting powder in. I don't use as much as I normally would. This is the eyeshadow that I'm blessing you all with today, and I feel like 9,902% of you can do this. So let's get into it. The first thing that I do for my eyeshadow is to prime my eyelid with my concealer, which is the Born This Way concealer. This palette looks like it went to the wall for us. Start off with this shade called Realga. Next color that I'm using is Cypress Amber. I'm just gonna apply that directly to my crease area. This shade called Tempera. I'm gonna apply that to the front part of my cut crease. I'm going into my setting powder, which is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder in the shade Nutmeg. I'm gonna apply that to the other half of my eyes. It was Realga right here, and we're gonna use her to create a very nice gradient with the end of the cut crease. Going back into the Tempera, which is the lighter shade that I have in front here, I'm gonna blend that in with the Realga that I just added by basically sliding on the color. So to finalize the eyes, I'm going back into Cypress Umber, which is the deep shade that I applied to my crease, and I'm gonna use that to smoke out the cut crease area. So that is it. Very, very, very soft looking, right? This is unlike me. It's just, this is too soft for me. Well, next thing I'm gonna do is to apply my eyeliner. I wore eyeliner in my waterline. I also applied more powder to my under eyes, my forehead, nose, and the contour right here. I take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r concealer in the shade 498. Look at the chiselation of my face. Like, seriously, I can't take myself. And I'm just gonna brush all the excess powder from my face. So I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Dewy finish. While I allow that to dry, I'm gonna go in with my mascara and blend my falsies with my naturalies. I'm using the Rimmel London Extra 3D Lash. I'm using, as usual, my Younger Beauty Candid Glow in the shade Yoa. So I'm going in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Black Brown. Okay, so now that I'm done with the application of the lip lination, I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r concealer in the shade 498, the same one I used to contour my face, and I'm gonna apply that on the liner that I just lined on my lips. Okay, so I'm going in I'm going in to my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to use her to lighten up the center of my lip. Yes, boo. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I'm just gonna apply this on the center of my lips.
Goodbye.
Beautiful, right? But we're not done. No. I'm gonna finalize that with the Younger Beauty Assurance Eyeshadow Primer.
Goodbye.
I'm going to finish up the whole look with my Younger Beauty Candid Glow in the shade O'Shea, and I'm going to apply that in my tear duct area. Just a last minute spritzation for the nation. Hi angels, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios amigos, catch you another time. Peace.